He should have to sit in jail the way my family was forced to sit in fear and heartbreak. For 3 unbearable months, we lived at my husband's bedside, 3 months of watching the man I love fight for his life. 3 months where our child cried for his daddy and couldn't understand why he couldn't come home.
That was the wife of Hunter Carter, one of the men who survived a crash in Eden that claimed the lives of 4 linemen after a dump truck driver ran right into them in April 2025. Good evening. This is the Fox 8 5 o'clock news. I'm Katie Nordine.
And I'm Neil McNeil. Today, Michael Vernon, the man charged with this fatal crash, went before a judge as his team worked to have his bond lowered from $1.6 million to $50,000. Fox 8's Gretchen Stinger joins us now. So, Gretchen, what did the judge decide?
Yeah, Neil, Katie, ultimately the judge decided to keep his bond at $1.6 million. And I have to say, this was one of the most emotionally charged bond hearings that we have ever attended. There was so much emotional testimony. And this was also the first time that we have heard from all of the victims' families within one room. It was remarkable the way that the families leaned on each other today, given just a year ago, many of them were only strangers. While the hearing addressed a motion to lower Vernon's bond, 11 people from the victim's family spoke directly to the judge, saying why his bond should not be lowered and why Vernon should not be allowed out of jail. His defense argued that he could be on house arrest. He wouldn't drive, and they even mentioned that he isn't in good health. Meanwhile, the victim's family spoke about what a tragedy each loss has been. Here's some of their testimony. Take a listen.
Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving and Christmas weren't really celebrations for us this year. They only brought sadness and us wishing that the day would hurry and pass because we had an empty chair. No child should have to visit a cemetery that young to be with their dad, and no parent should have to bury a healthy child so full of life.
My son had come by my garage to let one of the guys that worked with him use the restroom. That day they had gone to lunch. Before he left, he wrapped his arms around me and hugged my neck, as he did every time. And he said, "I love you, Pops." I kissed him on his forehead and I told him I love you. I'll never get that opportunity again.
As you just heard, very, very emotional testimony from those family members. There was not a dry eye in the courtroom, including Michael Vernon himself. He continued to look in the direction of each victim's family who spoke. Ultimately, that judge did decide to keep his bond at $1.6 million. I spoke directly to Matthew Lockwood's mother following the hearing. She says that this right now is the only justice they feel they can get for their loved ones. So she says for now they are pleased. Michael Vernon is expected back in court on March 2nd. In Rockingham County, Gretchen Stinger, Fox 8 News.